Keep going. Now go really fast and hard. Okay, you got it. Okay, now stop.
Oh, I see it right there.
Look at that. Monster Ember on your very first try. Hard by friction. Alec Adkins, look up here, buddy. All right, congratulations.
Good smoke.
Good smoke.
Can't stop now.
Keep going.
Good pressure. Gotta go till it hurts.
There you go. Keep going. Go hard. Keep going. Almost there.
I can see that there's one there.
Okay.
I think you got it.
Yes, sir, buddy.
Woo! Okay, Colin.
Nice big ember. Way to go, Colin.
Does anyone have it?
That's going. Give it a good strong burst.
Yeah, give it all you got for a bit.
I think you got it, Gabe.
That's pretty good. Yeah, I see an ember.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is. Popped out of the notch. That's a nice ember.
That's a big fat ember.
Beautiful. All right, Gabe. Way to go, babe.
Way to go,
Good
Gabe.
job. Where we are, how we're going. Would that work for you? Is this one control here? Okay, let me know when you want to do it. We'll get it set up.
Keep going. You're almost there. It's trying to ignite. Keep
Ooh,
going.
You're close. You're close.
I,
You might have it.
he's got one. Nick,
might
you
have
got
it.
you got one.
Stop. You got it.
Nick got one. Woo! All right. Look at that one.
See that? It's too far.
All right, Nick.
Whoa, you're the man.
Look up here, Nick.
Big strong
Thumbs up.
man.
All right. Keep after it. Wait a minute, is it smoking? Is it?
I don't think I got one.
Okay, keep going. Nope, it's on. It's on.
Alec, that's one. Alec.
Alec, you got an ember.
Oh, yeah. At minimum, that was like 45.
Yes, sir, buddy. Look at that. Alec Adkins, look up here. You made a ember with goldenrod on ash. Congratulations. Woohoo! Keep going, you almost had it. Keep going. Don't quit. Lay into it like you're mad. Go for it, really go for it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
You're close. Don't stop.
Don't stop, you're almost there.
Okay, let it hurt. Look till you're exhausted.
Almost there.
30
Okay,
seconds, and you'll have it. 30
you,
seconds.
I believe it's ignited.
Real hard.
PJ, stop. Take it out. Take it out. We got an ember. Ooh, blow on it a little bit, PJ. Here we just gently. Lay it back down. All right, PJ. PJ made an ember. Woo! Stop. Keep going.
You kidding me?
How do you do your full hand?
Keep going.
You keep going.
I almost got one.
Yeah, come on, Mr. Firecrafters.
Smells good.
Ember
Oh,
on.
you got one.
Ember on.
You kidding me?
Isn't that a fire?
I try all the time.
3, 2, 1, go. 7.5 seconds.
Is it lit? Yes, it's lit. Yeah, but I had about
2 weeks before it's even board review. Lost his book.
Ember on.
7. He just goes there. Oh, let me try. We try 17.